Hey guys, Lewis20 here. Just thought I would shoot a quick video about a new plugin that I've started using on my blog. Kind of show you how it works and why I've chosen to use this as well. So the product we're reviewing today is called Content Locker Pro. Now they do have a free version as well, but it is pretty limited in what it does. However, if you're just looking for basic functionality and you just want to lock some content on your blog or on your website or whatever else, then obviously you can still use that. I did set that up originally. However, I realised after setting it up that basically the advanced functions do make a massive difference as well in terms of the usability and the options and that kind of stuff. And likewise, it's not too expensive. Now I do have a discount code at the end of this video, or if you're on the blog, then obviously underneath, which brings the price down from $77 to about $50. Because I've got an $8 discount at the moment on this account with this company, just because I've ordered a few different products from them in the past. So, first thing I wanted to show you was an example of what it looks like. Okay, so this is the blog post normally. This is once I've actually unlocked the content. Just ignore all the things at the top, because obviously they're just because I'm logged in. So people come down, I've given them all the information and whatever else, and then what I've done is I've locked this video itself. Okay, so normally I'll show you in a second. This has a lock button on it, and as soon as you have unlocked it and shared it or liked it or followed or whatever we set it up to be, then this video will be unlocked, and it will be unlocked permanently. So because I've unlocked this post, if I refresh this page as an example, if I come back at a later date, this specific post and this specific content will still be unlocked. So it doesn't matter if people refresh, doesn't matter if people go away or whatever else, it will still be unlocked. Which is always a massive good point. Okay, so if we look into the back end of this, actually I'll show you an example of how this is locked. So I've just gone into Chrome and gone into the private browsing. So this is the blog post. If we refresh it again, and here you can see that it says this content is locked. It's double checking that I haven't shared it or tweeted it. These are the options I've set. You can set all sorts of different options, but if I click on, as an example, the tweet button, it'll ask me to log in, and then what happens is you have to authorize the blog to use your account. All it'll be able to do is read the tweets, update the profile, post the tweets and whatever else, and then you can click authorize, and then it'll go through and ask them to post the specific thing to unlock the account. Now if they don't have a Twitter or they don't want to do that, obviously because we cancelled out, it says you're not signed in, please try again later. So it works. You have to authorize this application, this plugin, for it to actually know that you've done it, which is quite good because it means people can't just click on the button like with a lot of the old plugins. They can't just click on the button and unlock it straight away. Same with share. Now the only difference is you can set it to share and press only me. That is the only difference. But obviously, see, we've clicked on the share button. Because we haven't logged in, because we haven't actually posted anything, it hasn't unlocked this. So it is slightly better, but I don't think there is anything out there that can change the privacy and mean that it only unlocks if you've set it public or friends or whatever else, just because of the way things work. So we're going to go back and I'm going to show you inside the back end of it. Okay, so here it is, it's installed, and it's called Content Locker on the inside. Now they have two different types of lockers. So the first one is a social locker. Second one is a sign-in locker. Okay. Now the massive advantage of the Pro version is that this will actually collect the leads. Now I set this up wrong. I've only just realised that my Facebook one wasn't working, and the Twitter one wasn't exactly right. There is a little bit of documentation to it. So as an example, this one you have to create a Facebook app for this to work and for this to all connect together. And I just went through and created the app, and that was it, and grabbed the IDs, and I forgot to enter the website URL and the URL in the bottom to make all of this work. Same with the Twitter app. You have to create a Twitter app, you have to confirm with your mobile number and get the text message. But as soon as that's all done, it is nice and easy. You can also do it with Google as well, so Google+, same with LinkedIn as well, obviously, if that is your kind of demographic. But I've just set this up nice and easily with Facebook and Twitter. Okay, so as an example, we have the social locker. You can choose to turn these on or off if you want. So you can choose that they, they can just press the like button and they can like your page. So you can turn that on or off. Same with tweets, you can turn this on or off. You can select the URL that you want them to tweet, so it doesn't have to be the URL for this specific blog post. Like as an example for mine, I've done the blog post before, which is the first blog post of the series. And then you can also select the tweet. Obviously, make sure that this is under a certain amount of characters for Twitter as well. You can also do it as a double check to make sure they have to authorize this app. So if you remember before, we clicked on the button and it asked them to authorize the app. You can turn this off, but obviously, if you turn it off, they could just click on the tweet button and then that could unlock it for them. You can also do it with Google Plus as well. Same thing, choose the URL you wanted to promote. Facebook share as well, the URL to share. You also have more options in here, so that's more like the technical stuff. You can also do it just based on following. So if you want to get more Twitter followers, obviously you can use it this way. Google share, YouTube as well, so you can get more subscribers, and a LinkedIn share. Okay. Sign-in locker as well. Similar kind of setup, apart from instead of them sharing it and that kind of stuff, all you're going to ask them is to sign in through Facebook. And as an example, as a bonus or whatever, for you will get their email address. Okay, so that's why we have this lead section here. So if they sign in through Facebook, you'll get their Facebook email. You can add them to whatever list you like. It also integrates with, let me have a quick look, like GetResponse, Aweber, and that kind of stuff. Where are we? Somewhere down the bottom. MailChimp, MailerLite, Aweber, ActiveCampaign, whatever that one is, and all of these GetResponse. Loads and loads and loads of them. SendGrid, Sendy, lots of different email marketing platforms. So if you want to build an email list and you just want to block some content and get them to sign in with their Facebook account, their Twitter account, Google+, LinkedIn, or even just their email address, they can unlock this content by doing that, which is obviously quite a cool feature. Okay, now as far as I'm aware as well, I think I might be wrong. As part of the pro version as well, I think if they use the social locker, then you can grab their email address if they tweet or share as well. Now I could be wrong in this. I'd have to double check, but I swear that there was something that said something like that. Now in terms of design and stuff as well, they have lots of different designs. So you can change all the text, you can change the themes, and choose different designs that suit your blog better. They have tons of different ways that you can unlock content. Okay, you can also set it so it's transparent, or you can blur the content behind, or likewise you can keep it just fully blocked. So obviously with this one the content is blurred behind, but then it's got a full block over the top of it to stop them being able to read anything. Okay, you can also turn it off for members. You can change tons of settings. Same with mobile. Advanced settings, intervals, timers. Like, you could get really creative with the content lockers, but the whole point is that it's just another way to increase your blog traffic or increase the traffic to your website by blocking stuff and making people have to take a little bit of action to get that extra value. Rather than buying it, they can simply unlock it. The cool thing is as well, this gives you statistics. Now, as I said, this was I broke this, so this only worked with Twitter. It didn't work with Facebook, which is very annoying because most of my traffic comes from Facebook. So we've had, 4 people who've unlocked this so far. But this is like 4 people out of 90. Okay, so only 90 people have seen this post because I haven't yet really pushed it out. And out of that, 4 people have unlocked it, and that's a 5% conversion rate for people who have actually tweeted it out and whatever else. In fact, if we go to Twitter, if I'm logged into my account, we should be able to see. I can't remember. I've never used Twitter at all. There we go. So notifications. Okay, so Henry something or other posted this out on June 12th. Okay, Bruce posted this one out twice, 3 times. Okay, this is another one. There we go. Andrew C posted that one out. Finn Libre, don't know. But the whole point is, like, people are using this on Twitter because I forgot to do Facebook properly and it gave up an error message. So I'll send out an email to my list and tell them, hey, you can now unlock the content. But the whole point is, once they've shared this out, this will be unlocked permanently as long as you don't clear your cache and your cookies and whatever else. But then they get access to whatever you decide to lock. So I'd highly recommend this plugin. It is a little bit expensive, but obviously it comes from a good company. They do keep it updated. You can try out the free version, of course. I'll leave a discount link as well, or discount code underneath this video. So if you want to pick it up, you can obviously get it slightly cheaper as well. But I mean, by all means, go for the sales page. Make sure this is for you. Check out the free version as well. But it is the most robust content locker that I have used so far, and likewise, I know it's all just going to work. Like the main thing is as well, because it links in with these different autoresponders, it obviously means that I can collect an email list as well as just locking content and that kind of stuff. So that's about it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Links will be below the video or on the blog post just below, as well as the discount code. And I'll speak to you soon. Cheers. Bye.